Hello friends, I am here with the class 10 topic arithmetic progression, chapter 5. In this video I am going to discuss exercise 5.1 question number 4. Question number 4 part number 1 to part number 8. So question is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So about the basic part of arithmetic progression, in previous video I have discussed what is A here and what is D. A is very first term and D is the common difference. So for here, two things which we have to discuss here. We have to discuss first the given sequences are the APs or not, and if they form an AP, we have to write their common difference, and then after that we have to write next 3 terms. So first part is 2, 4, 8, 16. We will write in general form like this way: A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 means first term, second term, third term, then fourth term. So difference is second term minus of first term, 4 minus 2, that is 2. We will denote it by D1. The next difference, A3 minus A2, we will denote it by D2. A3 minus A2, that is 8 minus 2, 4. So you see D1 is coming 2, and then after that second time difference is coming 4. So this D1 is not equal to D2, because this means the difference is not coming between these consecutive terms. So if difference is not coming, we will say that it is not an AP. Second part is 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 by 2. We will write in general form A1, A2, A3. A1 is 2, A2 second term, A3 third term, this is fourth term. So D1 is A2 minus A1, second term minus first one. Then we will calculate third term minus second term. Then we will calculate fourth term minus third term, and we will mention difference like this way: D1, D2 and D3. So first time difference is coming second term minus first term, that is 5 by 2 minus 2 upon 1. After taking LCM it is coming 1 by 2. Again difference A3 minus A2, after solving it is coming 1 by 2. D3, A4 minus A3, the 7 by 2 minus 3. So after taking LCM it is 7 minus 6 upon 2. So every time you see the difference is coming same. Now you see difference D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3. D3, every time this difference is coming same. So we will say that it is an AP, and he is saying that if it is an AP, write the common difference. So every time difference is coming same, so we will say D is coming 1 by 2, and after that we have to write next 3 terms. So 4 terms are given in the sequence here: 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 sorry, and 7 by 2. So these are the 4 terms. Next, it means next 3 terms, 5th, 6th and 7th term I have to write. So 5th term is 4th term plus D, 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is coming 8 by 2, 4. 6th term is 5th term plus D, 4 plus 1 by 2, it is coming 9 by 2. Then 7th term is A6 plus D, 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 10 by 2, it is coming 5. So these are the next 3 terms. The next third part is minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2, A1, A2, A3, A4. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So now the difference, that is second term minus first term, minus 3 by 2, minus and minus of 1 by 2. When we will open this bracket, it is coming plus. So minus 3.2 plus 1 by 2 is coming minus 2.0. In the same way, next difference is third term minus second term. Then after that fourth term minus of third term. So you see every time difference is coming minus 2.0, minus 2.0. So D1, D2, D3, every time difference is coming same, that is minus 2. So therefore it is an AP. And if it is an AP, there the difference is same, that is called common difference. So we'll write D is equal to minus 2. And after that we have to write next 3 terms, that is A5 is equal to A4 plus D, A6 is equal to A5 plus D, A7 is equal to A6 plus D. So minus 7.2 plus 2.0. So when we'll open this bracket, it is coming minus 9.2, minus 9.2 plus minus of 2.0. After solving it is coming minus 11 by 2. In the same way, A7 is coming minus 13 by 2. So these are the next 3 terms. In the next part, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, minus 4. This is the fourth part. A1, A2, A3, A4. So difference, that is second term minus first term. So minus 6 minus of minus 10. When we open this bracket, it becomes positive. So 10 minus 6 is 4. In the same way, difference is A3 minus A2. Minus 2 minus of minus 6. So it becomes positive. Again minus 2 plus 6 is 4. Again next time A4 minus A3, that is the difference. So we can mention it is D1, D2, D3. So A4 minus A3, that is 2 minus. How will find the difference? Second term minus first, third term minus second, fourth term minus third term. So in this way we'll calculate the difference between the two consecutive terms, greater term minus smaller, consecutive two terms. So 2 minus or minus 2, it is coming 2 plus 2 is 4. So every time D1, D2, D3 is coming 4, same, that is 4. So therefore it is an AP and its difference is 4. So next three terms are A5 is equal to A4 plus D, A6 is equal to A5 plus D, A7 is equal to A6 plus D. 2 plus 4, 6. Then A5 is coming, A5 is coming 6, 6 plus 4, 10. A7 is 10 plus 4, 14. In this way we can calculate the next terms after adding difference. Now the next part, fifth part is 3, 3 plus under root 2, 3 plus 2 under root 2, 3 plus 2 under root 2. So A1, A2, A3, A4, it means first term, second, third and fourth. So difference is A2 minus A1, 3 plus under root 2 minus of 3. So this 3 and 3 will cancel out, under root 2 is left. Next difference is A3 minus A2. So that is 3 plus 2 under root 2 minus of 3 plus 2. Now you see this A2 has the two terms. So I have to use bracket here. This is very important step here. If you will not use bracket, this will be wrong. So 3 plus 2 under root 2, when we'll open this bracket, minus plus minus, minus plus minus, so 3 and 3 will cancel out. 2 under root 2 minus root 2, it means it is 1 root 2. Their bases are same, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into under root, so we will write it is under root 2 only. The next step is, next difference is A4 minus A3, that is 3 plus 3 under root 2 minus of 3 plus 2 under root 2. So again this A3 has the two terms, so we have to use bracket here. So when we'll open this bracket, it becomes minus 3 minus of 2 under root 2. So 3 and 3 will cancel out. So 3 under root 2 minus 2 under root 2, it is 3 minus 2, 1 under root 2. So every time you see the difference is under root 2, under root 2, under root 2, every difference is same. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to root 2. Therefore it is an AP. So if it is an AP, so common difference is coming under root 2 here. And next we have to write the next three terms. So A5 is A4 plus D. So 3 plus 2 under root 2 is the A4, that is fourth term, plus under root 2. Now you see these two terms are the like terms. Its coefficient is 1 and its coefficient is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 under root 2. So answer is 3 plus 4 under root 2. Next term is A5 plus D. So A5 is 3 plus 4 under root 2. Just we have solved now. Plus under root 2 is the difference. So now these two terms are like terms. We will add 4 under root 2 plus 1 under root 2 is 5 under root 2. So A6th, that is sixth term, is 3 plus 5 under root 2. In the same way, seventh term is A6 plus D. Say 3 plus 5 under root 2 plus under root 2. So 5 under root 2 and under root 2 as a same terms. So we will these are like terms. So we will add 5 plus 1 is 6 under root 2. So next part is here, sixth part, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. So A1, A2, A3, A4. First time difference is A2 minus A1, that is 0.22 and 0.20. When we have to add or subtract, decimal comes under decimal. So 2 minus 0 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. The difference is coming 0.02. So after decimal you see there are two places. Next time difference is A3 minus A2, 0.222 minus 0.22. And we can write here 0 because third place is missing here. So when we'll subtract, decimal comes under decimal. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. It is coming 0.002. So after decimal, three places are coming, and in the previous one, after decimal, two digits are coming. So therefore these differences are not same. So D1 is not equal to D2. Therefore it is not an AP. Now the seventh part is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. A1, A2, A3, A4. Difference is A2 minus A1, minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4. Again, difference is A3 minus A2, minus 8, minus of minus 4. Minus minus is plus. So again, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Next difference is A4 minus A3, minus 12, minus of minus 8. Then it becomes minus 4. So everywhere difference is coming same. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to minus 4. So every time difference is same, therefore it is an AP. And if it is an AP, we have to write the difference, common difference, that is called D is minus 4. And the next term is A5 is A4 plus D, that is minus 12 plus minus 4, it is minus 16. A6 is A5 plus D, minus 20. A7 is A6 plus D, so minus 20 and plus minus 4, it is coming minus of 24. Now the next eighth part is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. You see every new term is coming after adding 0. and we know that difference can be positive, can be negative or 0. So here d is equal to a2 minus a1 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. So when we'll open the bracket, minus minus plus. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is coming 0. So every time difference is, you see, difference is coming same. So all the differences are same, therefore it is an AP. And we have to write the next term also. So a5 is a4 plus d, so minus 1 by 2 plus 0. So when we'll add 0 to any term, answer will be the remain same. So minus 1 by 2, so a6 will be the minus 1 by 2, a7 will be the minus 1 by 2. And the next part of this question number 4 I will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.